Hello, my name is Andres Felipe Hernandez. Today I'm going to show you a mental map where we are going to see some little story that happening to me by my first time in different means of transport. Met to Medellin plane and August of the last year I went on three to Medellin. I went on a plane from Bogota to Medellin, bought the ticket beforehand. I was the first time I go on a planet. I was a good experience and came well. The second day of my trip to Medellin, I did a route by the Cableway, but it was to screen. In subway, I have to move from one place another. I took the subways many times. I always quick what the subway station, the subway happen, have the my economy love. Thank you.